Hi friends, I'm so excited to show you this accessory right here. Is this cover for your cup? I have this one here, so let's go show you how to use it. This is the cover. It's like a plastic, but it's so resistant and have this beautiful design right here. And the color is perfect too for any cup. So it's so easy to use. You just put your cup here and ready. The best part of this accessory is that the cover is anti-slip, so your cup don't move off her place, and have a good grip because it's plastic. So it's perfect if you wanna take your cup from here. Have a good grip, and the material help you to not burn your hands if you are have a hot beverage inside. It's a leak proof too. So came with these accessories right here that are for this part. So you can use it. You put it right here, this way, and tap this part. So it's leak proof, and you don't have to worry about that. Came in all the sizes, and for other types of this part too. So I highly recommend it. See you.